Hi, I'm Jean Fernandez, indie filmmaker and content creator, and today I'm going to show you how to use UpendNow. UpendNow is a new pre-production software that makes the entire process much easier, especially when you're working with no budget at all or minimal budget or no team. It's a super effective software that makes you go from a blank page to a full pre-production package in almost no time. I mean logline to script to storyboard and AI-generated shot references for a visual pitch if you want to. So let's see what we can do. First, hop into UpendNow.com and sign up using your email. I already have an account, but making it takes less than 10 minutes. Creating a profile consists of putting your work email, the size of your team or company if you have one, your role in it, and the industry you work in. Now you can birth your project. First, give it a name. Your film title, your working title. I'll use this new spec script I'm working on called Kane, and choose if this is a video ad or a film. We're gonna choose the qualities or genres of this project, like is it horror, is it a crime thriller, is it a dramedy. Mine is a horror short, so I'm gonna pick that. And once that is done, you can choose the length and format of your project, like if it's for YouTube, if it's digital media, your website, if it's for TV, you name it. And the dashboard here is super clean, so you won't get lost. Then it will ask you who is this for, like is this for you, is this for a client, and which one is your target audience. In my case, I'll just type film enjoyers. And finally, in this section, you'll write a logline and a synopsis for your project. I have mine in another doc, so I can paste them whenever I need them. But you have max 500 characters for your logline and 1,000 for your synopsis. All of this is to have your brief clearly laid out, ready to pitch. Before you finish, there will be some video references that you can choose from so the software knows what's the vibe or visual design of your project. Like for example, if it's a horror, it will show you 5 different horror shorts. If it's a dramedy, it will show you like 2 dramas and 2 comedies and so on. You can skip this part if nothing matches your vision. And the cherry on top will be that you can choose your budget and delivery date. In my case, I'll put in speculative $6,000, let's go small, and delivery date will be July 31st, 2026. Now you have a full creative brief. UpendNow's AI will shape some of your answers, like who's your target audience or the general description of the project, into a tight professional text that is actually ready for presentation. Each one of these sections you can edit to have more of a precise brief the way you want it. And this alone saves you an hour of staring at a blank doc when you're starting your pre-production package. Next up, the script. You can generate a full draft, but if you already have a script, you can upload it too in a PDF if it's below 20 pages. My script has 20, so I have to upload the version with 19 pages because the 20th is the cover. Then you can jump in and edit it, add dialogue, tweak the scenes, etc. This section of the process is like any other screenwriting software. This is where you can get creative with the software, the storyboard. To use this function, you'll just buy some credits. First, it will generate 3 to 4 shots per scene, the most important ones. But you can add more, and you can choose the style. I mean, it can look like a whiteboard or cinematic or like an anime. I choose the whiteboard, but I've chosen cinematic before and it looks awesome. You can see the composition, the framing, the action, and edit it all to have it laid out visually before picking up the camera. I myself struggle with drawing, so this is perfect for people like myself. From the storyboard, we go to the AI video shot references. This is the part that truly hits for pitching to new producers or investors. UpendNow can generate a short AI video clip of 15 seconds. So you can see how that shot that you prompted looks like. You can even choose the video engine and switch between them, so you can get something closer to what you envision. And you can always change the description, prompt something different, then click on generate a new image, and the video clip will change. So you can always try a new image with new engines and new prompts. And again, camera angle, lighting, mood, type of shot, all of this can be tweaked. This is good for pitching to clients, but also briefing your crew, have your DP knowing what you want to do, production designer visualizing with you everything that's on your deck. At the end, in the last part, you right now have the chance to try the shot list option. Soon this will be part of the premium package, so I advise you to run and do it right now. It lets you mark those scenes that you have delayed or you haven't filmed or you have changed day for night, and you can always edit them to add more or less as you wish. Thanks for watching. I hope your pre-production goes amazing. See you soon. Bye.